Manipur violence matter after a bunch of pleas were filed before the court seeking its intervention. The top court said it cannot be used as a platform to escalate tension in Manipur, while making it clear that it cannot take the law and order apparatus in its hands to douse the violence. A bench of Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and Justice P.S. Narasimha said it can give directions to authorities to make the situation better, and for that it needs assistance of different groups and positive suggestions. The top court asked Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, appearing for the Manipur government, to take instructions on a circular. At least 150 people, remember, have been killed and several hundreds injured since the ethnic violence broke out in the state on May 3rd, when a tribal solidarity march was organized in the hill districts to protest against the Metei community's demand for scheduled tribe status.
Big relief for the centre and the Manipur government as far as the criticism it was facing over the handling of the Manipur crisis is concerned, despite repeated pleading by the lawyers representing both the Kuki and Metei communities, of warring Kuki and Metei communities in Manipur, that the Supreme Court should intervene. And when the Supreme Court started hearing the batch of petitions, the death toll was just 10 in May, and now it has touched 110. And Supreme Court, high time Supreme Court pull up the central and state governments and give proper directions to ensure proper law and order. But Chief Justice came down heavily on this suggestion and saying that it is not we who run, it is the state, we who run the law and order apparatus. It is we who don't run the security apparatus. There is an elected government in the state of Manipur which can handle things, and also took on record a status report filed by the Manipur government through Solicitor General Tushar Mehta that slowly things are returning to normalcy, and the state government needs some more time to bring back the complete normalcy. And till then, such petitions should not be heard, because it should not. Government is taking things into proper perspective and taking proper measures as far as rehabilitation, law and order. In fact, setting up of relief camps,